Hello everyone, I'm Charles from SpiritRadar. In this video, I'll guide you through another popular feature of our app called Top Bottles. Here, you'll see the top 100 rum and top 100 whiskey bottles. What makes these bottles top choices? They're selected based on their superb price growth over periods of 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years. You can filter the list by rum, whiskey, or both. This list is updated daily using only current market data. The bottles listed have shown the most significant market value growth within the selected range and have been recently sold or auctioned on at least 2 trusted sites. As you can see, each bottle displays its current market value and the percentage of price or value growth. You can easily add a bottle to your watch list with just a click. If you want more details, like a comprehensive price history graph, just click on the Bottle Detail button. You can also find out where to buy the bottle directly from this page. And remember, the seller country filter is here to help if you live in a state or country with strict alcohol shipping restrictions, or if you prefer to buy locally to save on shipping costs. This section is especially valuable for investors. It uncovers surprising lesser-known brands, enabling you to explore the rum and whiskey markets comprehensively in just a few minutes. This makes it a perfect tool for discovering investment-worthy bottles and expanding your portfolio even beyond the big-name brands. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.